Welcome back, guys, to Steven's DIY Auto Repair.
All right, guys, and we are back. And we got some more Harbor Freight savings for you guys today. So we are going to be taking a look at Harbor Freight's early Black Friday coupons. That started Monday, November 11th, and it's going to go through Thursday, November 28th, guys. So we got plenty of time to take advantage of these early Black Friday coupons. So before we jump into this, as always, we're only gonna touch on the stuff that we've had some experience with, or that we've heard some stuff about, good or bad. We'll speak about it. If I miss something, or if I look over something that you guys wanted to know about, I apologize. It's just because we don't have any input on it. But if anybody else out there has some good or bad input, go ahead and leave it in the comment section below. So guys, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into this. So right off the bat, we're hit with air tools and compressors. Not much there for us, so we're going to move on. Automotive, this is our main topic here. And right off, we got some Pittsburgh jacks. So we got the 3-ton floor jack with rapid pump. It's on sale right now for $109.99. Original price is $139.99. We got the Pittsburgh 1.5-ton low-profile aluminum racing floor jack with rapid pump. That's on sale right now for $84.99. Originally $99.99. And then we have the 2-ton low-profile floor jack with rapid pump on sale for $99.99. And original price is $119.99 on that. So not bad deals, guys. If you've been following my channel or watch my channel often, you know I'm a big Daytona fan. I prefer the Daytona jacks. However, I've heard a lot of good stuff about the Pittsburgh ones, but I don't have firsthand knowledge on those. But they do look like they're pretty good quality, and like I've said, I've heard a lot of good stuff about them. So, moving on. This is pretty cool. This is a Icon Master Interchangeable Puller Set. Original price is $219.99. It's on sale right now for $189.99. I've been saying it, guys. Icon's coming out with some really great tools. They're getting a lot of master tool sets or specialty tool sets coming out. This is lifetime warranty, so that's pretty cool. Master Interchangeable Puller Set. That's really cool. It's something we might be interested in, but if we end up getting it, we'll definitely do a video on that. So, some more stuff from the Icon line. Next up, we got the Pittsburgh Trim and Molding Tool Set. It's a 5-piece. I actually have this specific set. It's really great. Original price is $949, and it's on sale right now for $499. Like I said, guys, it's a great set. It's very sturdy. I have yet to break one of these. It's a trim tool and molding tool set. It does a really good job for what it's meant for, and it doesn't do a lot of damage to the trim, so that's always a plus. So not a bad deal there. Moving on, we have this Maddox bearing race and seal driver set. It's a 10-piece. Original price is $39.99, and it's on sale right now for $29.99. Before the Icon specialty tools came out, the Harbor Freight used to be big on their Maddox for their specialty tool set, and they're still a really good line. I own some of the Maddox specialty tools from Harbor Freight. Unfortunately, I don't own this bearing and race seal driver set, but I do have I believe it's an OEM Tools branded version. But I hear a lot of good things about Maddox, and I do have some Maddox specialty tools, which have held up nicely. So not a bad deal on that there, guys. Here's some Daytona 3-ton jack stands with circular pads. Original price is $84.99. It's on sale right now for $59.99. So these look pretty cool. They still have that safety pin. I've been really interested to try these out. These are a little bit pricier than the normal jack stands. They look pretty sturdy, pretty heavy duty. So I don't know, guys. What's your guys' opinion? Anybody else out there have these that have some good or bad things to say about it? Please put it in the comment section below. Moving on, here's another Maddox specialty tool. It's a pneumatic fan clutch wrench set. Original price is $72.99. It's on sale for $54.99. So not a bad deal there. Moving on, we actually did a video including this in one of our tool haul videos. This is the Maddox Heavy Duty Automotive Tire Repair Kit. And its original price is $22.99, and it's on sale right now for $14.99. So that's definitely not a bad deal. The one I picked up was for $19.99, and I'm definitely gonna go. I haven't used it yet, but I'm definitely gonna go and buy a couple more of these so I can have one in each car, because you never know. So it's a pretty good set. Like I said, I haven't used it yet, but hopefully. When we do use it, we can do a little video on it and maybe throw that up there for you guys. So moving on, we've talked about these Hallmaster assorted linked elastic stretch cords, 12 piece, on sale right now for $5.99. It's not a bad deal on that. It's always good to have a couple of those lying around. Here's another thing we've talked about before, the Hallmaster 1,000-pound capacity ratcheting tie-down straps. It's a 4-pack. Original price is $26.99. It's on sale for $16.99. So definitely not a bad deal on that, guys. Never can have too many ratchet straps. They definitely come in handy when you need them. Moving on. Let me touch on this real quick. This is pretty cool. It's a Viking 1550 250 amp / 6 to 12 volt wheeled battery charger, engine starter, and alternator tester. That's actually pretty cool. Original price is $199.99. It's on sale for $169.99. That would be interesting. That's pretty interesting, guys. Anybody out there have this or has had any experience with this? How well does it work? That'd be interesting to try out. Sorry, guys, I just happened to see that. I wanted to talk about it real quick. So moving on. Generators and plumbing. Again, not much for us there, so I do apologize if you guys see something. All right, getting into hand tools. So here we have a small 1/4-inch drive SAE metric high visibility socket set. It's a 21 piece. Original price is $17.99. It's on sale right now for $14.99. Not a bad deal. You want a little 21 piece set to throw in the back of your car or to have around the house, inside the house for some emergency purposes. Lifetime warranty. You can't beat it, guys. Here's some Quinn snap ring pliers with reversible action, on sale for $9.99. Moving on. This is a pretty cool little Pittsburgh multi-bit precision screwdriver set. It's a 34 piece. Original price is $9.99. It's on sale right now for $6.99. This thing is pretty cool. I bought this a long time ago. I still use it every now and then. It comes in handy. The only problem is where you put the bit. It has a tendency, no matter how tight you tighten the collar, it has a tendency to push up inside. The bit pushes up inside the handle, and it's kind of a nuisance, but I mean, it gets the job done, and for $6.99, you can't beat it, guys. Keeps throwing me back to the top every time. So here we have Icon 3/8-inch drive professional shallow socket set, 12 piece. Original price is $34.99. It's on sale for $29.99. I've had some experience, I've had some good experiences with the Icon hand tools, specifically their socket wrenches and their sockets. I actually have this set, and so far it's been fantastic. I have had no issues. We haven't used it extensively, and we haven't beaten it, but so far it's held up to the test of time. So not a bad deal here, guys, especially for $29.99, and you're going to get a lifetime warranty with that. You can't beat it. And it's going to give you obviously better quality than the Pittsburgh or your Quinn. So not a bad deal for a little bit more. So moving on. What do we got up next? Lighting and specialty. So here we have the Braun 12,000 lumen LED work light. This is originally $49.99. It's on sale right now for $39.99. So guys, I've had the cordless version of this. It was a rechargeable version, and this thing was phenomenal. Absolutely loved it. The light was bright. I've knocked it over, and it never broke on me. It literally held up to the test of time. Unfortunately, I don't know if I let the battery go dead too much or charged it too much, but eventually it would just not recharge the battery. When I would plug it in, it would light up, but it just would not recharge the battery. So we got rid of it, and we never went back to get one. But really great light from Braun. Definitely recommend that. If you get the corded version, you're definitely not going to have that issue. Maybe you don't. Maybe you will. Maybe you won't. But we had the cordless version, and we ended up having that issue. So moving on. Getting into material handling and safety. Not much here. There's some duct tape. Original price is $4.79. It's on sale for $3.99. So moving on, guys. Outdoor. Again, not much for us here. I do apologize if I'm skipping over something you guys wanted to see, or at least get my opinion on, because obviously you could see it on the screen. Getting into power tools, we got a lot of Bauer power tools here. Got the Chicago Electric 1.3 amp variable speed rotary tool kit, 31 piece. Original price is $24.99. It's on sale for $14.99. Not a bad deal on that. We got a Hercules, some more Bauer tools, a lot of Bauer tools, a few Hercules items. Not much there. Looking into the shop and the garage. So here we got the 3-gallon, 3 peak horsepower wet dry vac. Original price is $39.99. It's on sale right now for $34.99. So that's not a bad deal for a little shop vac. Here's something we've been interested in. It's a Icon 400-pound capacity, 43-inch professional creeper. Original price is $139.99. It's on sale right now for $109.99. So not a bad deal, but very curious about it. The wheels look overly. They look a little larger than what maybe it should be, but hey, maybe that's what gives its durability. Looks pretty durable. I'm very curious about it. If anybody out there has had any good or bad experiences, please put it in the comment section below. For $109.99, doesn't seem like a bad deal, but then again, I don't know how well it functions. The comfortability or the functionality is unknown. Sorry guys, having to go back. Got a stud finder there for $11.99. Here we have a Pittsburgh 1-ton capacity foldable shop crane. Original price is $269.99. It's on sale right now for $229.99. So not a bad deal there. I'm not sure if that's the exact one I have, but I do have a shop crane from Harbor Freight that's very similar, if not the same one. And that thing was phenomenal. Never gave me any issues. It suspended an engine in the air while I swapped out the transmission. Couldn't have done it without it. Really good crane. So not a bad deal there, guys, if you're looking for a shop crane. Storage. We've talked about these a lot before. These Apache 2800 weatherproof protective case. This is medium. Original price is $29.99. It's on sale right now for $19.99. So not a bad deal there. These are great to protect your investment, whether it's a camera, a firearm, a scan tool. You name it. If it fits in there, it's going to definitely protect it. So not a bad deal for that. Moving on. Here's a magnetic wrench rack. It's going to be a 4-piece. Original price is $13.99. It's on sale for $11.99. Seems pretty cool, but I don't have any experience with that. Just click on it. Pretty cool if you want to organize your drawer with your wrenches for $11.99. Not a bad deal. Even if it turns out to be worthless, yeah, I guess you're only gambling $12, right? So still not bad. So moving on to welding and machinery. And unfortunately, not a lot here for us guys to speak on. And that is it, guys. So that completes your early Black Friday coupons. Again, started Monday, November 11th through Thursday, November 28th. So you guys got plenty of time to take advantage of these sales. We're definitely going to be taking advantage of the tire repair kit. I think that's a really good emergency kit to have in your vehicles and just to have around the house just in case. So not a bad deal there. We're definitely going to be picking up at least 2 of those. And if we pick up anything else, we'll definitely share it with you guys. Also, if you guys pick up anything, please share it with us in the comment section below. So anyway, guys, if you like this video, please go down there and hit that like button. I would greatly appreciate it. As well as if you haven't already, please go down there and hit that subscribe button. It helps out the channel, and I would greatly appreciate it. So anyway, guys, as always, if you like the video, make sure to hit that like button. If you'd like to be notified when I put out another video, make sure to hit that bell notification. And as always, guys, please subscribe to my channel for more informational videos and DIY projects. And until next time, guys, have a good one.